Welcome to Waterfall Cottage. I'm Cherie, and that's Tommy. And today we might be gardening, remodeling, cooking, canning, or tending to our chickens. Stick around and see what we are up to today. Hey y'all, so I'm in the garden today with one of my favorite plants, which is Agapanthus. Now I have the little tag here. This one is the Peter Pan Agapanthus, and it's a perennial. And I had wanted to get this video done earlier before most of the blooms fell off, but things have happened and we were getting a lot of rain. So this is what's left. But normally this has a lot of little flowers on it. And here's the grassy part. And then it gets these long stalks. And it's kind of a whimsical look in my opinion. So I've chosen to put it here in this area behind me, which is between the chicken coop and our little fire pit area. It should do well here. They like about 6 to 8 hours of sunlight and well-drained soil, and so this area should be perfect for it. Now this is one plant, but I'm hoping to get it, well, I'll get at least two. As you can see, I've got two stalks here, but I'm hoping that I can get at 3 or 4 plants out of this and plant them here. Now I'm going to read you what it says on here because it's a little more, I don't know, professional than the way I usually say it. So for water, it says keep moist the first year and then 2 times per week after. Average mature size is 12 to 18 inches high and 12 to 18 inches wide. Spacing is 12 to 18 inches. Cold hardiness is 20 to 10 degrees Fahrenheit. It's not hardy in zones 1 through 7. I'm in zone 9, by the way. It says to fertilize it monthly. And I guess that's about it. So that's what it is on here anyway. Now the Agapanthus is related to the garlic plant. You can see why by looking at it. This attracts all the pollinators, the butterflies, the bees, you know, all of that. And I have noticed that it also attracts the dragonflies because they like these tall things like reeds and tall flowers and grasses that they can perch on. Couldn't think of the word. So anyway, let's get this out of the pot and cut open and see if we can get multiple plants from it. Alright, so I'm just going to pull it out of the pot. Gently as I can. Now, take a look at what I've got here. Start kind of spreading the roots apart. It's okay to knock off as much of that dirt as you can because we're going to be putting it back in some dirt. Just looking for the main rhizome in here. Alright, now I see two where it splits here. I'm going to take a knife and cut into it. Alright, I'm just going to gently kind of cut some of these side shoots off. There we go. You can see what I cut off. Lay that aside. I'll cut off this side one here. There. And there. I'm going to get rid of the flower stalk, unfortunately, but I need it to put its energy into making some more roots. Get rid of the flower stalk. There's the flowers up close. You want to see them? And now I'm going to take these and plant them and wait for them to get roots. I'll be watering these pretty much every day. Like I said, I'm in zone 9, very hot Texas. So let's get these into the ground. Alright, well, it's like 100 degrees out here. I am dripping wet with sweat, but it did get them into the ground. There you go. They don't look very pretty right now. And of course I butchered the flowers. But hopefully by this summer, this will be a beautiful little area. And yeah, I need to get some mulch around them. And that will be done off camera. So I'm going to go in and get me a glass of iced tea and wipe the sweat off my face and get the dirt off my hands. I hope you guys consider planting some Agapanthus in your yard. I think you'll really like it when the nice big flower stalks come up, especially if you're in zones, what, 6 to 11? 6 to 11, I think? Yeah, that's about right. Definitely zone 9 where I live. So thank you guys for watching, and we will see you on the next video.